This here might be the quickest video I have done, which is a whole meal. So quickly watch this, prepare it, and go out and enjoy your summer, especially if you're in North America. The summers are very, very short. So let's get on with it. So black beans, very easy to make. I just soaked it for 4 to 5 hours and I cooked it in the Instant Pot. You don't even have to soak it if you are running out of time. Just cook it, and I'll link the instructions to do that down below. Now the biggest thing here that makes this special is my homemade pita bread that's here. And while you don't have to make your own homemade pita, I would really recommend that you do, because homemade bread really doesn't taste like anything else that's commercial. If you have a local bakery that makes fresh pitas, then I'm jealous. But still, making it by yourself, it's still, I think, more special. Now, mixing it is going to be your first big step. So your beans are here, and then here add in everything else. So your corn and your Pico de Gallo ingredients. Then you want to give this all a good toss, taste it, and adjust for salt, pepper, tomato, onion. Make it your own. Then the pitas I have warmed up slightly in the microwave, 15-30 seconds. You can do this on a pan as well. Then if you got perfect pitas from the store or homemade, when you cut it, it's going to have a nice pocket just like this. And yes, that's where everything is going to go. So grab a spoon and start stuffing it in. And you want to warm it slightly, because if it's not warm, it's more likely to break. So stuff it all in, top it off with your crispy tortilla chips, and that's it. You go ahead and enjoy this quick bean pita wrap, and the simplicity really shines in this recipe. Let me know what you want to see next with pita bread down below, and I hope you're having a great summer.